Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing a 1 month, cat, 1 month garden update. Sorry, my cat's attacking me. And so I will see you here in a little bit, so just come join me to see what's new. Okay guys, sorry for the weird intro, but this little tiny terror over here that's adorable is all everything was attacking my feet, as you can see. Okay, so over here I just watered everything. So over here I have some more cabbage growing, the red and one of the green ones. I forget which one it is. I just have them there just to kind of get them started. The rosemary hasn't gotten much bigger. It ended up sending out 2 little shoots. I took one to see if I could propagate it. So far, no, but it's still growing, or at least staying green inside, so it's okay for now. And nothing in that. And the little 6-way right there is supposed to be onions, because I couldn't tell between grass and onions, so I'm trying to get a definite sprout going on over there so I know what it is. This is a volunteer tomato plant that I didn't even know was in the soil in there, so there's that. I don't know what kind it is yet. I'm assuming it's like the bigger one over there, but I'm yet to tell what it is exactly. This is the biggest cucumber plant I have right here. I have been suffering from whitefly issues, a little bit of aphid issues, so they're not as big and vibrant as I'd hoped they would be, but they're getting there, so that's always good. Right here is the little tiny cucumber plant that hasn't grown a lot. Like I said, whitefly and aphid issues and whatnot, and I saw some rust spiders or mites, something like that. So my peas haven't really taken off much. Here's some more tomatoes. I think these ones are aroma tomatoes. Some of these I just planted to see if they would even plant at all. Hi there, Fuzzball. Hey dude, you can help? You making videos today? Yeah? Tummy shot. Alright. So these ones should all be the same. This one might be the same as well. And then there's another one like over there. But I'm not sure. These are supposed to be cantaloupe. All 5 or 6 of these. There was like a couple more, but I think they died. This one right here is one of my brassicas. It's either cabbage or kale. I'm not sure which order is which. This was a late bloomer. It was planted at the same time as this one, but it didn't sprout at the same time, so I'm not entirely 100 on which one's which. I kind of want to say that this one's going to be the cauliflower, but again, not 100. Hey, get out of there. Come on. Sorry, guys. Tiny kitten doesn't understand. Alright, we're learning still. So in this vacancy area here in the garden, I did try to replant some of the plants that were supposed to be there, like more of the butter crunch and the black seed Simpson lettuce right in this area. So we're gonna see if that starts sprouting soon, but these ones are a little over a month old now. They should be at their peak. Bless you, dude. But I think there's a little bit more to the reason why they're so small still. As well, also with my spinach, this one's the Avon Spinach, so is that over there. The Bloomsdale, which is going to be here in this line, never popped up, so I replanted it hoping it would. So that tomato that I had been posting about on Instagram forever, and I did in my first video, is finally huge now. I'm just waiting for flowers at this point, hoping that it will produce a couple tomatoes before the weather gets really cold. That'd be amazing. Update on the pinto beans. So I did this string kind of trellis thing right here. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. Here, see? There's a leaf. There's a string in front of the leaf. And it's just yarn. It's not the best. I would not recommend necessarily, but if that's all you have, then that's all you have, because I couldn't find anything that was long enough, so I just improvised. I had a windstorm come in, which is why I say I wouldn't recommend it, because the windstorm stretched the string out and it's not all that great right now. And they're kind of getting heavy, so it's a like bendy and whatnot, but it does move with them, so that's pretty nice. Like I was saying, you can see a lot of damage on the leaves and stuff. This is from the bug issues. I've tried neem oil. It was like a pre-mixed bottle of neem oil, so not 100% sold on that one. I got it from Home Depot. But my favorite part about it right now is this guy right here who's ready to pick. Yay! I got a bunch of little tiny ones all over the place, especially up here. You can see them. There they are. So excited. I was for sure thinking that these guys were never going to give me any beans because they just weren't doing anything but flower dropping. So I am super, super excited. And we have all of these ones over here. Like I've got a ton of pinto bean plants over here. There was originally like, I don't know, 12? Yeah, I think there was like a dozen of them over here originally. And like I used to have cucumbers over here, and I had peas over here originally, but the cats kept laying on them. As you can see, little mister's over there. Get out of the garden, you know better. Come on, go, you're on camera, everyone can see you. But they kept laying on everything, so those didn't make it, which is why the cucumbers are on the other side now. So, but yeah, I mean, we got tons of flowers still, little bugs everywhere, little beans everywhere. That little dude, can you see it? I don't know if you can see it. But that guy right there. And then I've got tons of spiders over here too, so that's kind of helping a little bit. That was like a little rusty red thing, so he got squished, or it got squished, whatever it is. So yeah, I definitely have, and I have ants on here too, so I guess they're eating something. Not sure what, but they're eating something. So, but yeah, I have lots of flowers, and then like lots of little beans hiding inside the dried flowers, so that's pretty cool. I have definitely got plenty of pollinators. I see bees like almost every morning, so that's really nice. Here are the, what are these? The Poblanos. So no peppers yet. We're still not sure why they're not peppering. We are getting buds, it looks like. So right there. This one never had buds originally when we bought it, but it has gotten twice the height that it was originally. This is the ghost pepper right here. Again, also no flowers yet. But we have a secondary little sprout down there, which is kind of cool. Came with it. More pinto bean action over here. So if you guys have any suggestions, like what I could do for pest control, because it's supposed to be cooler, so I don't think that they should be super horrible right now, but they kind of are. And here is the jalapenos. These guys flower dropped after we put them in the ground, or after I should say I put them in the ground. Right now we're kind of sort of leaf dropping a little bit here and there, not super bad, like one leaf so far, maybe two. Some of these are also the pinto bean leaves. But hopefully, I got some yellow spotting. Hopefully get that sorted out and get some peppers off of them. So the avocado, I brought it out here, it kind of died on me. I don't know if you can see him. He gave up. He died. We have some weird rusty looking fungus stuff in there, I guess. I don't know what happened. If you hear any banging, don't mind that. Probably just my husband doing whatever he's doing in the backyard. Alright, so over here, I'm not sure if you guys can see it really well, but these are some kind of tree with little yellow flowers. I use these as my pollinator attractors right now because they kind of just volunteered themselves like literally everywhere, like all over there, all down over here next to the fire pit, even everywhere here. But the fun thing is I think I dropped little kitten. Say hi, Lilith. I dropped some tomato seeds, it looks like. So there's a tomato plant just hiding up in there, which is super cool. Get out of there. Come on. Come here. Ugh. Sorry. You're so cute. So cute. Alright. So yeah, little Lilith right here. Feisty little turd. But yeah, so that is the garden tour. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the cool thing about the melons. Let me go show you. I like totally skipped it. So the cool thing is that they're vining. I forgot to say that. They're vining. That is amazing. So we got at least 2. Get out of the plants. We've got 2 that are vining, so that is really, really cool. So if you guys could like, comment, and subscribe, that'd be very appreciated. Nice hanging out with you guys. I know I don't do a ton of videos. I'm kind of working on that. But I got some videos out right now, so hopefully you get to see those before you see this. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.